Hello everybody, today we will talk about ways to assess the financial and economic efficiency of investment project in a bank. It is done by Matakov Shahrukh, Group BDA 88. From introduction, investment projects are critical for banks to generate profits, support economic growth and maintain competitiveness in the financial industry. These projects involve a wide range of activities such as lending, underwriting, asset management and advisory services, and require significant financial resource and expertise. However, not all investment projects are successful and banks must carefully evaluate their financial and economic efficiency before making investment decisions. This evaluation process involves assessing the potential risks and returns of each project as well as its alignment with the bank's strategic goals and market conditions. The significance of this study lies in this potential to contribute to the development of more effective investment projects evaluation methods in banks. By identifying the key factors and methods for evaluating financial and economic efficiency, banks can make better informed investment decisions and minimize the risk of project failure. Moreover, this study may help banks to adapt to the changing economic and regulatory environment and stay competitive in a financial industry. Also, this objective of the study as follows: to review literature on investment project evaluation in banks, including the factors that affect financial and economic efficiency, the methods used for evaluation. The next one, to identify the key factors that affect the financial and economic efficiency of investment project in the banks, including market conditions, regulatory requirement, and bank-specific factors. To evaluate the effectiveness of different methods for assessing the financial and economic efficiency of investment projects in the banks, including NPV, IR, and other models. The last one, to provide recommendations for banks to improve their investment project evaluation methods and adapt to the changing economic and regulatory environment. Short part is the outline of presentation. This presentation is divided into 8 sections. We will start with the brief methodology overview, then discuss the factors that affect financial and economic efficiency of investment projects in a banks. After, we will examine the various evaluation methods for investment projects. Based on information, we will recommend an approach for evaluating investment projects in a banks. Finally, we will analyze the result of conclude with recommendations. The fourth part is the methodology. This study will employ a mixed methods research design which combines qualitative and quantitative methods. The qualitative component will involve a review of relevant literature and case studies of investment projects in the banks. The quantitative component will involve the analysis of financial and economic data from sample of investment projects in the banks. This study will use both primary and secondary data sources to achieve its objectives. The primary data for study collected through European Bank official site. The secondary data for this study collected from financial statements, annual reports, and other publicly available sources of data on investment projects in banks. The qualitative data collected through the literature review and case studies will be analyzed using content analysis. The analysis will identify the key themes, patterns, and trends related to investment project evaluation in banks. The quantitative data collected through the site and financial analysis will be analyzed using descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Okay, the last part, the descriptive statistics will be used to summarize the key variables such as project cost, revenue, and profitability, while the inferential statistics will be used to test hypotheses about the relationships between variables. The next part, factors affecting efficiency. Okay, from first, regulatory requirements such as capital adequacy ratio and risk management policies are critical factors in shaping investment project decisions. Banks must comply with this requirement to ensure the safety and soundness of their operation and to maintain the confidence of investors and regulators. The next one, market conditions such as interest rates, inflation, and economic growth have significant impact of the profitability of investment projects in the banks. Changing market conditions can affect the demand for loans and the cost of funding, the performance of financial markets, which can affect the risk and return of investment projects. The last part, bank-specific factors such as size, diversification, organizational structure can also affect the financial and economic efficiency of investment projects. Large banks may have more resources and broader range of capabilities than small banks, which can influence their investment project decisions. Diversified banks may be better able to manage their risks through portfolio diversification, which specialized banks may have more expertise in specific areas of finance. Okay, the next part evaluation methods. The NPV model is widely used in investment project evaluation in banks. It measures the present value of future cash flow from investment project and compares it to initial investment cost. The NPV model is effective in evaluating the financial viability of investment projects and can help banks make informed investment decisions. The next one, the payback period model, measures the time it takes for investment project to recover its initial investment cost. The payback period model is useful evaluating the liquidity of investment projects and can help banks prioritize projects based on their ability to generate cash flows in the short term. The IRR model measures the rate of return that makes NPV of an investment project equal to zero. The IRR model is useful in comparing investment projects with different cash flow patterns and can help banks determine the minimum rate of return required for project to be profitable. Next part, recommendation approach. Okay, develop a standardized investment project evaluation process. Banks should establish a standardized process for evaluating investment projects that incorporates best practices in financial analysis and decision making. The process should be flexible enough to accommodate different types of projects and should be aligned with the bank's strategic objectives. The next one, enhance risk management capabilities. Banks should develop robust risk management capabilities to identify and mitigate the risks associated with investment projects. Risk management should be integrated into the investment project evaluation process and should include both quantitative and qualitative analysis. The last one, leverage technology and data analytics. Banks should leverage technology and data analytics to improve investment project evaluation. Tools such as financial modeling software and data visualization tools can help banks analyze large data sets and make more accurate predictions about financial and economic outcomes of investment projects. Okay, in this part you can see results and analysis. First, full methods: NPV, IRR, payback period. For the result, highly profitable, quick payback period. Third one, positive net present value. For analyzing part, while there are risks involved, the potential profit and short payback period makes this project advisable. Okay, conclusion and recommendations. In conclusion, this study aimed to provide comprehensive analysis of these factors affecting the financial and economic efficiency of investment projects in banks and to evaluate the effectiveness of different evaluation methods. The literature review revealed that investment project evaluation is a complex process that involves several factors such as market condition, regulatory requirement, and bank-specific factors. Moreover, methods used for evaluation vary widely depending on the nature and complexity of investment project. The findings of this study have important implications for the investment decision-making process in banks. The analysis showed that financial and economic efficiency of investment projects in banks depends on several factors, such as including market conditions, regulatory requirement, and bank-specific factors. Therefore, banks need to adopt a more holistic approach to investment project evaluation that takes into account these factors and the changing economic and regulatory environment. Furthermore, the study showed that effectiveness of different evaluation methods varies depending on the nature and complexity of the investment project. Therefore, banks need to carefully consider the appropriateness of different evaluation methods based on a specific characteristic of investment project. Overall, this study contributed to the understanding investment project evaluation in banks and provide recommendations for banks to improve their evaluation methods and adapt to the changing economic and regulatory environment. So, thank you for your attention.